Hi everyone, I'm Nadia. Welcome back to my channel, All Things Nell. On my channel, we discuss all things health and wellness, all things food and nutrition, and all things skincare and beauty. So guys, welcome back to Sincere Sundays. But before we get into our Sincere Sundays segment, I would like to share a food and nutrition tip with you guys. So make sure to stay tuned. So happy Sunday to everyone. I hope we're all doing well. So let's just get into the video and get started with my food and nutrition tip for you guys today. So guys, these are 5 healthy oils that you want to be cooking with, right? So these are 5 healthy oils that you must be cooking with, that you should be cooking with, that you ought to be cooking with. So the first oil is hempseed oil. The second is grapeseed oil. The third is virgin coconut oil. The fourth is extra virgin olive oil. And the fifth one is virgin or raw organic avocado oil. So guys, I'm gonna just get into each of these really quick. So your hempseed oil, you don't want to be cooking, like directly cooking with hempseed oil. Hempseed oil is a very, very, very delicate oil, guys. So hempseed oil is something that you want to put in your smoothie or get a tablespoon and have a tablespoon of it like directly every day, which is what I do. So the beautiful thing about hempseed oil, guys, is that it's a very top-ranked oil. Why is that? So compared to any other like plant-based oils, hempseed oil is packed with a ton of nutrients and vitamins that our body needs on a daily basis. So guys, hempseed oil, just a tablespoon, guys, just 1 tablespoon will provide you with all the nutrients and vitamins that your body needs per day. So guys, this oil, hempseed oil, is known to be taken by a lot of vegans because they don't eat meat, so they want to make sure their vitamins and their nutrients are coming from everything which is plant-based. And guys, very important, it's also packed with a lot of protein, which is why a lot of vegans take it, because that's now their source of protein since they are no longer eating meat. And guys, even if you're not vegan, you can still take this oil. Even if you're trying to become a vegan, start taking this oil, guys. Whether you're a vegan, a vegetarian, or a meat eater, start incorporating hempseed oil in your diet. So the second one is grapeseed oil. I love grapeseed oil, guys. That's like my favorite plant-based oil. The beautiful thing about grapeseed oil is that you can put it on your skin. You can put it in your hair. You can put it on your fingernails, and you can cook with it. Like, you can cook with it directly. And guys, the beautiful thing about grapeseed oil is that it can stand up to heat. So if you want to fry fish, if you want to fry chicken, like anything that is gonna cause, anything that you're cooking that is gonna cause the temperature of that oil to go way up, grapeseed oil can handle that, guys. So for me, grapeseed oil is just an all-rounder. Grapeseed oil is packed with a lot of vitamins, especially vitamin E. So guys, even more than extra virgin olive oil, I love grapeseed oil because it's super high in vitamin E, which is a necessary antioxidant for our skin. Try grapeseed oil out. Again, it's a plant-based oil. It's more on the expensive side, but it's well worth it. Okay, so the third oil is coconut oil. And guys, you want to make sure that your coconut oil is raw virgin coconut oil. Guys, avoid the knockoffs coconut oils out there. They are no good. They're mixed with some other oils and you definitely don't want that. So make sure you do your research and you buy your extra virgin or virgin coconut oil. I mostly buy Trader Joe's coconut oil, and guys, you can tell it's real raw coconut oil because the smell, guys, the aroma of coconut oil is just so beautiful. So I just stick with Trader Joe's for my coconut oil. And guys, it's not, out of all these 5 oils, I think, even though they're all expensive, coconut oil I feel is the cheapest of them all. So if you're on a budget and you can't afford grapeseed oil, which is a more expensive oil, you can definitely stick to coconut oil. And coconut oil, guys, is amazing as well. It's really good, just like grapeseed oil, for frying your foods. So yeah, if you can't afford grapeseed oil, definitely go for coconut oil because it has a very high cooking point. So number 4 is extra virgin olive oil. Guys, we all know how good extra virgin olive oil is. Again, that's packed with vitamin E, a very important antioxidant for the body. So yeah, extra virgin oil can be on the pricier side as well. But guys, health is wealth. So what I wouldn't do is I would never cook with extra virgin olive oil for like frying and stuff like that. You can maybe saute some veggies with your extra virgin olive oil. You can make your own salad dressing with your extra virgin olive oil and stuff like that. So olive oil is definitely a very rich, delicate plant-based oil, guys, and you don't want to be frying anything with extra virgin olive oil because it's just gonna lose entirely all of its nutrients. So just keep it simple, put it in your smoothie if you like, or make a salad dressing with your extra virgin olive oil. So the last oil is avocado oil. Yes, this oil, guys, can be pretty expensive. Again, it's a plant-based oil and you want to make sure you are getting real plant-based avocado oil. So guys, avocado oil is a very special oil. I would say that if you're better off eating the fruit, then I would say just go ahead and eat the fruit. I think it would be a little bit cheaper to buy the fruit than the oil because the oil can be very expensive. But guys, this is an oil like extra virgin olive oil where you don't want to do heavy cooking with this oil. You want to do like simple cooking with this oil. Maybe fry an egg. Guys, it's another oil where I wouldn't ever fry, like deep fry anything with that oil, with avocado oil. It's not coconut oil and it is not grapeseed oil that can stand up to heat. So it's a very gentle, sophisticated oil that also is packed with a lot of vitamins, with a lot of nutrients that our body needs. So yeah, guys, keep it simple when you're cooking with avocado oil. Okay guys, so let's start our Sincere Sunday segment. So today, guys, I'm going to start off with I am happiest when. So guys, comment down below and let me know when are you at your happiest. So I am happiest when I am on the plane heading to Jamaica, enjoying that long 4 hours to Jamaica, guys. As some of you may know, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Jamaican, and so every chance I get, I don't go as often as I used to, but every chance I get, I go to Jamaica. And guys, being on that plane ride, I get nervous, guys. I get so nervous all the time. I can't help myself. I get butterflies in my stomach. And guys, when that plane lands, when that plane lands, I just feel at ease. I'm just like, wow, I am home. You know, this is my country. This is where I was born. I am home. And there's no other feeling like it, guys. So yes, I am happiest when I'm on that plane heading to Jamaica to get that nice sun and to eat some good Jamaican food. So I am happiest when I'm eating vegan ice cream late at night on a hot summer's night, and I'm just watching a really good African movie, guys. So yeah, I'm a sucker for African movies. You know, you have Hollywood, you have Bollywood, which is Indian movies, and then you have Nollywood, which is African movies. So guys, my sister introduced me to African movies when I was like 18 years old, and I'm much older now. But I love African movies because they just, there's a strong meaning behind them. Like, they're very long, but they have a ton of meaning. African movies, they're teaching you something. And it's not just a movie just to show a movie. There's always a lesson behind African movies. So I love African movies while I'm eating my yummy vegan ice cream. I am happiest when it's fall season. Yes, guys, I love fall. That's my favorite season. Even though I am from Jamaica, where it's like, you know, pretty much one season, which is like summertime. But guys, none of them here in the US. I love fall. Fall is my favorite season. I love when those leaves are changing, especially when they're at that burnt orange stage. Guys, I love it. I love fall. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, so yeah, I'm happiest when it's fall season. I am happiest when it's the weekend and I can just relax and order Chinese food and just pig out, guys. Yes. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I absolutely love Chinese food. And you know, it's the end of the week, it's the weekend. I don't work on the weekends, and I can just order some good vegetarian Chinese food, whether it be vegetables and garlic sauce or whether it be fish. And guys, I love it, and this makes me so happy. Oh my God, guys, I am happiest when I'm watching the TV series called This Is Us. Guys, if you haven't started yet, what are you doing with yourselves? You ought to be watching This Is Us. I think This Is Us has been airing since 2016, I believe. And it's still on TV, still on, I believe, NBC. Guys, every time I watch This Is Us, every episode brings me to tears. I love This Is Us. It makes me happy when I'm watching it. It makes me cry. It just put me at ease. And guys, this series just gives me peace. And this is why I am happiest when I'm watching This Is Us. I am happiest when I'm watching my favorite movie of all times, The Notebook. I was introduced to The Notebook 10 years ago when I was seriously dating someone back in Jamaica. And guys, it was the best thing he ever did for our relationship, because guys, since then, I am hooked on that story. I am hooked on that movie. Like, the best. One of the best movies ever. I know a lot of you guys love Titanic, but guys, the Notebook just absolutely did it for me. It's my favorite movie back then, and that's 10 years ago, and it's still my favorite movie now. And that's another thing that makes me super happy. I am happiest when I call my mom, or she calls me, and we can just talk about anything. We can catch up on old stuff, and we can just agree on everything, and we just have a really good conversation, guys. For a long time, my mom and I, we never had the best relationship, and now we do. So I'm really holding on to that. It's such a precious feeling to have a good relationship with my mom and my sister and the rest of my family. But guys, I now have a really good relationship with my mom, and whenever we get a chance to talk on the phone, I love our conversations. I love how genuine our conversations are now. And yeah, that's just one of those moments that makes me super happy. And last but not least, guys, I am happiest when I'm eating a scrumptious, succulent slice of chocolate cake. Guys, nothing makes me happy than a slice of decadent chocolate cake, especially if I'm celebrating something. Oh my goodness. I just love me a good slice of chocolate cake. And this makes me super happy, guys. Just super happy. So guys, thank you for tuning in to another Sincere Sundays. This one was very light, nothing too serious, nothing too heavy. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share with your friends and your family. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe. And guys, for those of you who are new here, I am Nadia. This is my channel, All Things Nell. Thank you for joining the family. We are growing slowly but surely. So thank you guys for always tuning in. And I'm glad you guys are enjoying these segments on Sincere Sundays. So guys, always remember, be kind to your skin, be kind to your body, and be kind to others. Bye.